So I've been on a bit of a hiatus lately. Well, since like May, I think. Anyway, as you can see, truck's still here. I was actually out today doing some tuning on it. We were tweaking on transmission. Been just kind of diddling with that. The torque converter lockup. Just been messing with that. Kind of just trying to dial it in a little bit because it was trying to lock while it was still in stall. So it was doing some weird stuff. It was like hammering it home. So I've kind of been honing in on it, watching the logs, and kind of trying to dial in how it locks, and it's doing a lot better. So it's kind of, I've actually disabled it in second gear and third gear. So I'm just kind of tinkering with fourth gear right now because honestly, I'm not racing it, so third gear is not necessary. So did that today, just messing with stuff. It's been a couple hours. It's a beautiful day. The Chiefs just won. Go Chiefs. Just been out tootling around. It's been a wild year, but been working on a lot of stuff behind the scenes. Got our first brand deal, so I've been kind of working on that, actually trying to put some time into that so that it looks good, because my videos have not been the best. It's just me talking and kind of working. So I'm trying to be a little more creative with that. So I've been kind of coming up with some ideas, some different shots and different things to make it interesting so that, well, it's interesting. But yeah, she's still doing good. Now that it's cold out, it doesn't hook at all. So, which is fun, but it's good and bad because it just smokes the tires. And these tires, they don't make them anymore, as I've said several times. But yeah, so I'm still here, still working. I took kind of the summer off because 2020. This is Sunday the 1st, election days in 2 days. Thank God that'll be over with. I am so tired of all that nonsense. Everybody just needs to be friends again. Yeah, so hopefully soon I'll have the video out for the product review. It's some pretty cool stuff. I've used it before, this particular product, and they contacted me, so I'm excited to do that, and hopefully it's up to their expectations and they like it. So, yeah, but that's pretty much it. I'm going to quit rambling now, but I just wanted to tell you guys that, yeah, I am still alive. I'm still working on it, just little by little. I just took the summer off, but yeah, hopefully get some more content out here soon. My buddy, Mr. Griffin, just bought an LSA supercharger for his box coupe. Man, I really would love to do that. That or a Pro Charger. Pro Charger is local to me. It's actually about 5 miles that way. So Pro Charger, if you guys are watching, wink, wink. But no, I'd love to do that someday. Just not right in the cards right now with everything going on in the world because 2020. So hopefully we'll get some more stuff going. I'd like to do some tuning videos. I am learning. I bought it primarily to tinker with the transmission stuff. My tuner is great, amazing. I'm not touching anything he did on the actual tune, fuel, spark, any of that stuff. That is so far above my skill level that I'm not even going to attempt to mess with that. I bought it primarily just to tinker with transmission stuff because I didn't want to pester him to death. I got a really good deal on that way back in like March. I haven't really done much with it, but I've been tinkering with it today, trying to get just kind of dial it in. So shift points, just kind of tinkering with little tiny things, just kind of how I drive it. Because it was a stock shift map for a 480 out of, I think he said he got it out, because I had to do a segment swap. I think he said he got it out of a truck. So it was kind of a little bit wonky for my driving style, and this not being a 3/4 ton truck. But yeah, we're getting it dialed in. I'm going to do some videos on that, do some more videos on some stuff on this. I need to do some maintenance. I need to get it up on the lift and do a nut and bolt on the whole thing. I need to change the oil in my Volkswagen, which, whole nother story. I'll do a whole other video about that, the dealership and their prices, and it's a Volkswagen. So anyway, still here. More videos coming soon. Appreciate everybody watching. Please subscribe. Got plenty more content coming. And that's pretty much it. Appreciate each and every one of you. I've been watching that. I'm getting a lot of comments, which is awesome. Some of the things I don't know the answers to, but I'm hopefully able to point you to the right direction. But yeah, appreciate it. Please subscribe. Love it. You guys have a great day.